Well, hello. I'm Bill Gamble. I'm a retired Air Force colonel of 30 years service. I have to tell you, I enjoyed my military service, and I certainly would recommend it to anyone who desires to serve their country. For 30 years, I was taken care of by the Air Force in so many ways, especially in the medical area. But for the last 7 years, I have found out that I can get equally good service with a company called AmeriPlan. As a VA patient, some of the problems that I have are covered by the VA. But there are other issues that may not be covered that AmeriPlan very efficiently takes care of. AmeriPlan has 3 plans that we'll talk about in some detail a little bit later. But I want you to know that AmeriPlan is worth your time and interest. For dental care, for vision care, for chiropractic care, for medical care, especially telemedicine. Do you know that it costs you over $1,300 to go to the emergency room? And do you know that a recent survey said more than 75% of us can't garner $1,000 just to pay for an upfront emergency cost? It's things like that that AmeriPlan satisfies at a very cheap, a very cost-effective rate. And that's what we want to talk about. Again, AmeriPlan has 3 plans that are very cost-effective. The first is called our Dental Plus plan. The second is called the MediPlus plan. And the third is called the Deluxe plan. Let me just talk to you a little bit about 1 or 2 features under the dental plan. The dental plan, of course, is the flagship, and there are some 80,000 dentists across the country who subscribe to provide services under this plan. But that plan also includes a discount vision capability. It also includes a discount chiropractic capability, and it also includes some other discounts like travel discounts and discounts at various stores for which you might want to shop. One of the plans under the vision area is one that I've used exclusively and saved over 50% in terms of cost for eyeglasses. That includes prescription and very expensive eyeglasses that have cost about $800 that we got for my wife and I for less than $400. That's typical of AmeriPlan costs, 50% or maybe even greater discounts on some of the services that are offered. Looking at the dental plans, certainly the same formula applies. Fillings, implants, even orthodontics. Discounts up to and above 50% for most of the common services that many of us need. I'd encourage you to look seriously at AmeriPlan's dental plan for all of your dental, vision, chiropractic, and other needs to achieve these kinds of savings for you and your family. Each of these plans is $24.95 except for the deluxe plan, and the services under these plans is applicable to every person in your family. Whoever lives in your household is available to take care of these discount plans. The MediPlus plans, one of the most popular areas under MediPlus is telemedicine. It's one of the fastest growing services in the country, where you can talk to a doctor 24/7 for any of your ailments instead of going to an expensive emergency room, which costs, just to go to the emergency room, initial cost is over $1,300. Telemedicine enables you to avoid that time and money by talking to a doctor to determine, 1, if you really need to go to the emergency room. Secondly, to give you advice on what to do about whatever your particular illness may be.